Email marketing and you, tips to get the best bang for your buck. Marketing your business is a big job. You need to have techniques and methods that allow you to target your customers and clients in a way that fires them up for what you have to offer. Email marketing can be an excellent tool for your marketing strategy if you know how to use it. Here are some good tips to get you going. Insert a link to your subscription form into your marketing newsletters. That way, if your customers forward marketing emails to their friends can easily subscribe to your list too. Using this strategy makes it easy for you to build a large list of potential customers who have agreed to receive your marketing emails. Data mine your email list and bucket your audience into various segments based off of any profiling data you have. This will allow you to be more strategic with your messaging and effectively increase your chances of higher open and click-through rates. Even if you don't have profiling, look to geo-targeting. Various regions respond differently to different types of messaging. Ensure you have the permission from the customer if you are going to send them any emails. If you fire off unsolicited emails, the recipients are not likely to take you seriously. It may even cost you clients and customers because they may not appreciate it. An email marketing campaign needs a design and testing phase, just like anything else. Plan on putting in time making sure that your messages get past all techniques used for fighting spam, from content filters to image blocking and JavaScript suppression. You can send out 1 million messages blindly and not ever know if they are even seen. Always get permission from your customers before you correspond with them via email. If you choose not to, you can cause customers not to trust you and it could give your business a bad name. Certain ISPs may even choose to blacklist you. This can cause a major problem, dampening your business and campaign. Take every opportunity that comes up to be festive when you send out your emails. When there is a holiday, try to tailor your emails to fit the occasion. Subscribers will be very appreciative of this, and they will feel as if you are human and not a robot. Offering holiday discounts is another great idea that ties into the festive theme. Email marketing can be a great opportunity to reach your clients and customers. If you implement the tips that this video has given you, you are likely to notice that your target market is more satisfied. Use the tips here to create a solid email marketing plan that ultimately raises your profits. Now that you got a clear knowledge about email marketing, are you ready to start? Please don't start without my full free training on email marketing. I will offer you a full $97 training for free just to make sure you succeed. Say thank you by subscribing to my channel and by liking this video. Click the link in the description to access my free full training on email marketing.